Jim teased us a little earlier with a chance of rain. We're dying to know when might it get here.
We're excited. It's better than it has been lately.
Yeah.
At least for the Austin area. The Hill Country has been extremely lucky with a couple of systems here in the last week. Even our eastern county is doing better than we are in the metro area. Let me show you the storm actually on Viper radar right now. If you look closely, you can see the circulation in the radar echoes down there in South Texas and mainly out off into the Gulf of Mexico right now. But this area of low pressure that is located on the lower Texas coast is going to be gradually working inland here slowly over the next couple of days. And slow movement is good when it's producing rainfall. So we're hopeful that we'll see, many more of us will see some rain here between now and let's say Thursday. Now, the Hill Country rain last night, wonderful again for some of you. Llano, for example, 1.5 inches. Southwest of Cherokee, 2.5 inches. Mason, northwest of there, 2 2/3 inches, almost 2 inches there near Harper, almost 2 inches there around Willow City. But once again, in the eastern Hill Country, you folks out in Blanco County and much of Burnett County did not see very much, less than 1/5 of an inch there in Burnett and down toward the Johnson City area. And then by the time the system got close to Austin, it was dissipating and gone, just like last week. Not a drop in the metro area, but this may be our week. Out there right now, skies are partly cloudy, as you can see live over downtown Austin from our downtown cam. And our evening planning forecast, 93 currently, 8 p.m. We're still at 90. At 10 o'clock tonight, the clouds thinning out a little more and 85 degrees. Around the area right now, because of the wet ground out here in the Hill Country, you folks didn't do too badly today. Some of you below normal even. For example, Mason at 86 and Fredericksburg at 86. Low 90s from Llano to Burnett. A year ago today, you were at 102, 105, 106 in some locations. So much better. Low mid-90s metro area and low mid-90s off to the east. That's after the high of 97. Now, it was a little hotter than normal today in Austin. Right now, 93, and the airport's 94. And skies are partly cloudy. And the winds are south-southeasterly at 9 to southerly at 14. Sunset, 8:35. Doesn't get much later than this, typically. 8:35 p.m. because the summer solstice is almost here. Wednesday is when summer begins. Then those sunset times will start getting a little bit earlier. Mold count 1,275. That was all in the pollen count today, but it is high. And around Texas, temperatures right now, not heat index readings, temperatures, 101 in San Angelo, it's 101 in Midland, 104 right now in El Paso, 102 down in Laredo, but up and down I-35 and toward the coast, a little more moderate. And you can see certainly that spinning right here. Notice the rotation. That's the upper level low there on the lower Texas coast. Not a lot of rain today, but combined with daytime heating, each of the next several afternoons, we should at least see some scattered activity popping up here in our area. And because it's the slow movement of these storm cells, they can produce some heavy rainfall. So maybe you'll get under a real heavy one where you are. Not big threat of severe weather either. We might get some gusty winds out of this or some small hail, but I think this will be more of a rain-making system. Low and mid-70s tonight and tomorrow with more clouds in the area and hopefully some showers. Maybe we can keep more of us in the low 90s. It might be just a little hotter than that in some spots. In Austin tonight, 74. Skies will become cloudy late. Will be mostly cloudy most of the day tomorrow with that chance of some showers and thunder showers flaring up, especially during the heat of the day. And the rain chances, 30% tomorrow, 50% Wednesday, back down to a 30% chance Thursday. And then that high pressure ridge is going to build back in, and it is going to be hot then. In fact, we'll see high temperatures likely reach the upper 90s, if not some 100-degree readings by the weekend and into early next week, too. Leslie?